Hi everyone. As promised, I told you I would investigate a little further linking a hyperlink to a picture for a shortcut or any kind of picture that you will tap on in Schoology to take you out to the internet, to a site, a passage, a video, whatever it is that you're trying to link internally in Schoology. First of all, you're going to go to your Schoology account. You're going to go to courses. You're going to go to your course and pull it up. You're going to go inside of your course and you're going to be under materials and you're going to add materials. You're going to put in an assignment. I'm sorry, I struggle a little bit with this because I forgot that underneath here was different things that you could do with the arrow tool, and it escaped my brain this morning and this afternoon. So I'm going to go ahead and name this Raz Kids assignment. I'm going to go ahead here and I'm going to go under that arrow tool and I'm going to go ahead and bring in an image, assuming that I've already went out to the internet and found what image I wanted. So I took a picture of this and I saved it into my files. Okay, now I'm going to bring that in. So I'm going to go ahead and attach that picture. This is why it's important that we remember what we save things as. So I'm going to go into my picture folder that I've created on my laptop, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to type in the word Raz because I remember I saved it as Raz Kids. I'm going to bring that in. That's first. Now I'm going to click on it because I want to link the Raz Kids site to it. So I'm going to go ahead out to the Raz Kids site. I'm going to copy it exactly how it is here, because we don't want a broken link. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go under Insert Link. I've already selected my picture, so it knows I want it applied to my picture. I'm going to insert that, and I'm going to give a few instructions above. Hello, students. Please tap here to get to the assignment on Raz Kids. You will complete, let's say, under the kids login, you will complete math problems 1 through 5. Now, I don't know if this is really an assignment. I'm making it up because I haven't been in there lately. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to say due date if you want. It's not necessary, but you can if you want to make a due date and charge them for late fees. I'm going to go ahead and put this in as ungraded because it's just a fun assignment for them today. Some practice work, not giving a numeric. Okay, everything there is good. Now remember here what we said about adding categories. They're going to show up in your gradebook eventually. Okay, and then you can weight them and change that up in your grade book as you wish. I'm going to go ahead and create that. And you can see that when they tap here, Raz Kids assignment, that they can tap right on there and go to the site. All right, so that's one way. The other way, I think I showed you earlier in the training after school, was you can go ahead in there. We're going to go to courses. We're going to go back to our course. And you can do it as a link, which I did here. And the way I did that in the training this afternoon was I went to link, and I just put tap here for fun with Raz Kids. Okay, and then you can add that, and that will come up as a link that's just kind of hanging out there, populated there on the outside. Okay, at any point that you want these different types of links, you can just drag them right into folders. So suppose I want them in week 2, I can just drop and drag right there and organize them as such. That concludes on how to link to a picture in Schoology so that the kids can go out to the internet. Again, you can link any site, any, maybe you want a video for them to watch, and then you can use the discussion tool for them to give you feedback on the video, whatever it is you want to do there. It's endless with the hyperlink.